Hi, today I want to give you a short review on those wireless Bluetooth headphones that I just got about a week ago, and that's gonna be a really short review, and I'm gonna give you some close-ups so you see what kind of headphones are those. So in the package you have, of course, headphones. You have an adapter for when you fly on a plane, the cable, charging cables, and a case. It also comes with 30 days unconditional return and money back guarantee. So let me show a couple of features. So first thing first, of course you can adjust it, then you can rotate it on its axis. So this is good for storing. Okay, so you can adjust it like this. The one thing that I don't like about the case, which is a little bit annoying, I also have Bose headphones which have perfectly fitted and designed case. Those could be a little bit wider. Really, it's only, I'm talking about a few centimeters. They go kind of tight right here on those edges. I think if we had like a maybe half centimeter more space, I would like this better, because on this side you have a space for probably for all your cables like this, and you're ready to go. I like that the case is really firm, so it's good for traveling, so you're not gonna squish your headphones. Then you have an instruction on how to use the mic, and mic is right here on this cable. It seems pretty good quality, and I like the firm ends on both sides. Now the most important one, of course, you have your manual on how to pair it with all the different devices. I've tried already, so I had no problems pairing that with my Fire Stick or my iPad or my phone. Now let's talk about the buttons. Buttons are well designed, and as you can see, you have a power button and volume up, volume down. Here you have a charger, and then this is the connector for the cable. On the other side you have a noise cancelling option. So if I had to rate those headphones, I would give those 4.5 stars. Why? Because in terms of the comfort, I would give them 4.5 stars. In terms of the sound quality, I would give them 5 stars. Ease of use, 5 stars. And quality of the build, I really like them, and I think I would give them 5 stars. So the only category where I would give them 4.5 stars is just the personal comfort. My ears may be a little bit bigger, and those are not big enough. I would like them to go right over my ears instead of on top. In terms of noise cancelling options, I would also give them 4.5, not 5, comparing to my Bose headphones, which of course are a little bit more superior. But of course, we're talking about much different price. So again, those headphones made by Ammon are really great headphones, and if you don't want to spend a few $100s, those are really great alternative for wireless Bluetooth headphones. Hopefully you enjoy my review. Thanks for watching. Thanks, bye bye.